Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Johnny Diamond, and you're watching The Diamond Show. I figured I'd get on here today and talk to you guys a little bit about if it's your first time getting into cryptocurrency and you want to get into cryptocurrency investing, some of the basics. I want to go over some of the basics today: websites, terminology, digital wallets, examples of hard wallets, and crypto exchanges. So, what I wanted to do first is give you guys this disclaimer. Uh, I'm not a financial advisor or certified public accountant. Anything I say on this channel is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes only, and nothing I say on here constitutes financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrency is risky, and you do so at your own risk. Always remember to do your own research and invest in cryptocurrency wisely. All right, some websites to kick this off. We'll go look at some websites. And right here we have CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap is pretty much an information website. It collects all of the different crypto projects that you have out there. Not everything. This is not all inclusive. It won't have everything on here. They do try to validate most of the crypto projects on here, but you can go over here and I essentially use it as an information site. You can go on here and you can investigate and just type in anything in the search bar, any crypto that you want to investigate, and if they are tracking it on CoinMarketCap, which I'd say probably about 8 out of 10 times they're probably tracking it. It's coins out there. You know, there's thousands and probably 10,000s of coins that are getting created every single day. So this site may not have every single coin on it, but the popular and mainstream coins and coins that have somewhat been validated will typically be on this site. And so you can go up here into the search bar and you could just type in anything. You could just type in Bitcoin, for example. That's pretty much well known, and it's the first search result that pops up. You can click on it and it'll take you to the Bitcoin information for Bitcoin on this site, and it'll break it down by price and the different price increases or decreases, from the past 7 days, 24 hours to hours, so on and so forth, the market cap, the value, and the volume, and the circulating supply, the trend on the graph on what it's done. And you can just change a lot of these parameters on here, and you can just go through all these different cryptocurrencies. You could just change all the different information to see what's trending, to see what's new. They even have like a breakout box here to see what trending coins are, what's trending on different websites, so on and so forth. The overall fear and greed index, it even tells you and breaks down what that is. So that's CoinMarketCap. You can you can sign up for CoinMarketCap, and you can even have up here where they have this portfolio button. You can click on that after you've logged in, and you can add in all your coins that you currently have in your cold or hot wallet, your digital wallet. You can go ahead and you can just type in the names of the coins and the quantities, and this website will track your portfolio for you, not necessarily in real time, but it will tell you, how many, based on how many coins you have, the current market price for your portfolio of however many coins you put into this portfolio. This is not saying that you're adding money or you're adding crypto actually to the website. It's just for informational purposes, is as a tracker. The next website, you can go to Investopedia.com, and you can just type in, you can go over here to the drop down menu and you can just click on cryptocurrency. It'll bring you to this page, and you can just go through these different articles and learn about cryptocurrency, frequently asked questions, how do you get cryptocurrency, so on and so forth. And they just break different terminology, different words and terminology down for someone that may be new to crypto, that's never heard these terms before, and they might want to know what's going on, you can go over here to Investopedia and read these articles. You can type into the search bar what you're looking for, and it'll break it down to you and give you pretty much an information article on whatever you're looking for. All right, moving on to exchanges. And I'll go into exchanges right quick. It'll kind of be like exchanges and how to hold your crypto. So crypto.com is a popular exchange. Some of you may have heard of the crypto.com arena that they built and that they put all that money into that arena. Well, these are the same people. Crypto.com. You can go over here and you can log in. They didn't have this before where you could log in on the website, so that's new to me. But typically, in the past, when you wanted to sign up for Crypto.com, you would have to do it through your phone, the mobile app. They may still have it set up that way, but that's how I got into Crypto.com, is through the App Store. So whether you're iPhone user, Android, whatever kind of cell phone device you can use that and get into crypto.com, sign up for an account, and you can start buying and selling and depositing crypto onto that account. This is just some of the things that they talk about on the account. I'm not going to go all into it, but they just give you a breakdown on what's going on with crypto, from their vantage point. You're going to get a crypto.com Visa card, and you can essentially buy and sell crypto, and you can just convert that crypto into cash on the app, and then you can just add that cash to this crypto.com Visa card, and you can just use this Visa card and go out to the restaurant, the gas station, wherever, and you can pay for essentially what you're paying for. You've converted that crypto into whatever your fiat currency is, whatever you use, and then it's on that Visa debit card, as in a checking account, and then you can just swipe that card and use. You don't have to use your traditional banking, quote unquote banking institution debit cards. You can have a crypto.com debit card and use that to pay for daily expenses. Another crypto trading platform is Binance. They have a U.S. version for those that live in the U.S. If you don't live in the U.S., you probably have access to Binance.com, which is the other site. And I'll have all these sites linked in the description of the video, so you don't have to go searching for all these sites. You can just go through the description and click each one. But Binance has been around for a long time. Another exchange that you can go on. You can open up an account. You can link this Binance account to your bank account, and you can send money to your Binance account, and then you can just go buy crypto and keep it on your Binance account. Some people like Binance. Some people like another website is Coinbase, another very popular exchange website. So it's a lot of different crypto exchange websites, and what might work for someone else might not work for you. So you have to go in and research these websites and pick which one is best for you. Another website that deals with crypto is Robinhood. Believe it or not, Robinhood, you can buy and sell crypto on Robinhood, and they even boast, like right here on their site, they boast that they charge lower fees than a lot of the other crypto exchange sites. I won't get into all that, but that's just what Robinhood is saying. A digital wallet, or what we call a hot wallet, would be something like the Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet was a wallet that I used when I first got into crypto. I downloaded it to my phone, and I was able to buy and sell crypto and just send it what I would do was buy and sell crypto, trade the crypto, buy and sell it, and then I would send it from the trust wallet to crypto.com. And then once it got to crypto.com, I would just go ahead and cash it out, and I would put it on that crypto.com Visa card, or I would just send it straight to my bank account from crypto.com. So Trust Wallet is a good wallet you can use. A lot of people still may use this. I still have the Trust Wallet. I don't use it as much. What I like to use is a wallet that I call MetaMask, and you can just go into your Chrome web store or whatever web store you have on your PC, and you can just type in MetaMask in the search bar, and this MetaMask icon will pop up. Make sure it has the blue check mark, because you don't want to get down into some of these other MetaMasks, and I don't know what these are down here, but make sure it looks like this and it has the blue check mark. And then you can just click on the little MetaMask icon after you put it up in your browser area. At the top of your browser, you just go and you add it to the extensions. You go to the extensions shortcut and you add it. Make sure that you click on it and you add it as an extension so that it will show up at the top of your desktop screen. So that's how you do. You go and you add MetaMask. MetaMask is another crypto wallet, just like the Trust wallet. MetaMask is a crypto wallet that you can use on your PC. They also have a mobile version that you can download and use on your phone. So also they have hardware wallets that you can use. So for example, I have a hardware wallet right here that I use. This one is called the Tether wallet. And so I use this cold wallet to hold crypto and to move crypto around from the exchanges, and some of from my hot wallet or my digital wallet like MetaMask, I can just take crypto from MetaMask and I can send it to this cold wallet. And the trick or the good thing about a cold wallet is I don't have to leave this connected to the PC. I can just take this and put my crypto on it after it's connected, and then I can disconnect it and I can put it into the safe. So they have different cold wallets that are out there. Trezor is one, Ledger is another one, so on and so forth. So you can research that and look that up, you know. And so this will probably be like a part B to the basics in investing in cryptocurrency. And hopefully I help somebody out to kind of give you a direction that you can go in and kind of do your own research. Everyone starts out at a different pace, and some people, they may want something fast and they want something quick and they want to learn all the information they can. And some people, they may take it like bite-sized chunks and say, okay, teach me one thing at a time. So hey, it just depends on how fast you learn, at the speed or rate that you learn, and how you're able to kind of digest that information. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone they may want to learn a little bit about cryptocurrency. Until next time, you guys, have a good day. Peace.